G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I've come back the next morning to grout this splashback. I don't have to try and get it done in one day, it doesn't sort of work. It's better to come back. So what I'm doing is, because this is the grout line isn't nice and smooth. It's a bendy sort of grout line. Like the tiles they're a different shape. So what we do is grout it like this, and I'll show you how I use I call it a grout stick. It's just a paddle pop stick that I go over my grout line and it gets them all the same. Come around the other side. Oh, I'll do this half first and then come over. So when you do that, it gets it all nice and even. A little bit more mucking around, but it doesn't take long, and it gives you a perfect grout line. I'll show you in a minute. And then by doing that, you have the customer very, very happy. And then you give it your wipe. A rinse out of my sponge. Now I'll come back and give this another wipe off. What I've done, I've got with my grout, it's just normal white grout. I usually get ultra white grout, but I didn't want the lines showing out too much. There's always a lot more work in grouting this sort of tile, a lot more than your 6x3s that I've shown you how I grout. I'll come back and give that another wipe shortly. I'll start banging this grout in. I've given this a bit of a rough first wipe. Now I'm using the grout stick. It's the only way, because like the biscuit on this tile dries the grout very fast as well. So you can't just wipe it off like a normal wipe off. It dries too quick. So you've got to grout stick it, gets your lines even, and then you go over and touch them up, because some lines aren't smooth. Say like that one, I hope you can see that. I've got to touch that up, make it smooth. But doing all this helps to present and make a nice job. Some people like the different texture and like this tile, and some people don't. I'm not a super fan. I like the tile nice and square, small grout lines, but everyone's different. Coco, the owner, loves it. Presentation, and in tiling, when you're tiling, presentation is the key. You must always present your tiled work. No, you know, Aussie saying, she'll be right mate, grout her up. Nah. Grout makes a job, and when you present it nicely for the client, you are then their best friend. I'll give that a nice wipe down in a minute. See how that is? I've got to smooth that out. My grout stick roughened it slightly. Okay, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and learn how to tile. I will teach you.